Capricorn November month 2020 monthly horoscope. See, subscribe me first. I'm asking you, and you may develop a plan on how to become a financial independent, as you are more combative and stubborn to success. Even if sometimes you feel like nothing really matters, these are the moments when you need to more remember that achieving success doesn't come easily. For as long as you are disciplined, the month of number will have achieving your goals and feeling happy. This harmonious month can be bring great things to your career. Dare to talk your colleagues and superiors and will know what to say and be very understand if they do so. Capricorn can earn a bonus of, or get rise this month and extra money also. And November 20, if I see main important, we can say this one is our highlights. During November, will be pay more attention to your professional life. You make sure you are analyzing your life, what brings you disappointed, and which are the changes that you may have to make. It's important that you stop dreaming and fantasizing for a while. You need to take action and put your plans into the motion. This would certainly increase your productivity. It's very likely you are strengthening your social professional connections, turning your relationships into friendships. Until the 21st, the Sun in Scorpio put on emphasis on friendship and planning sectors. This influence will get stronger around the 11th, just as Mercury is going to enter Scorpio too, bringing you the most innovative ideas. Your social professional life will receive Mercury's energy until 10th. Also, will as a Libra until the 21st, you will be more charming, communicative too. Mars in Aries will be in a square. You have sign. So try as much possible to remain zen when surrounded by family. During the last two decades of the month, the heavy weights will be upon you. But you will regenerate. For the first decade, Uranus will be shake your children and partners. Starting with that 22nd until the 30, you are the more introspective and want to meditate. Coming to the love horoscope in November, most of the month Mars and Jupiter will put a smile on your face. Not to mention that it will make you softer and touchier and with your partner. You will get to enjoy your pure pleasure and not to feel guilty when skipping certain commitments. After Mars and Venus, Libras are going to make you nervous and restless. For this reason, may exaggerate with the things you don't like in your other half. It is very likely to use specific Capricorn self-control to end. November won't begin positively because you will remember the saddest of things and feeling lonely. But it is coming to the personal scope, so also important, especially because you don't want to show how much love you need. Starting the 15th, the Capricorns will feel the need to fusion with their partner on both the physical and spiritual plans, all for intimacy to be highlighted. If shy individuals, they won't hesitate to reveal themselves openly. No one will be able to deny their daring desire to give themselves completely body and soul. Come to the financial and career-wise horoscope. You always want to build strong foundations and future accomplish goals. Make sure you don't let your past digress you because this can disturb your work environment and relationships. Some colleagues may be jealous for you. Jupiter is going to bring good things. You need to be all-time optimistic and to avoid pointless conflicts. By doing so, you will be seen as serious and irresponsible person. Self-controlling logic are the only ones making sense for this month. The beginning of the November will bring Capricorns the support of their bosses, but only if the goods are flexible as they can be. As soon as the month's second part will be begun, they will be the most amazing team players and gain a lot of collaborating with others. Virgos will given the tremendous support and Saturn will be happy to have chosen these natives as their business partners, but also that they are ensured a level of safety for their projects. Sagittarius will agree to be the leaders when the Capricorns won't. Goats will obtain unexpected satisfaction by working for the good for others. They will be more enthusiastic and energetic when they are working with others. Careers in travel, tourism, computing will be the best of them. When it comes to the project, they have postponed until now, when they will receive the support of the others and put their plans into action. Success is very close, and overall, if you are going to see the November month, good. Subscribe me, guys. Will go, not only this Capricorn, Aries, Taurus, two pieces, and everything. Libras monthly horoscope is there, and 2021 horoscope will be there in our channel. I mean, your channel, our channel. please subscribe. Thank you.